Lasa and welcome back to my channel Science and Fun. Today I'm going to use this purple cabbage water and I'm going to show you acidic and basic nature of some of these solutions. The solutions that I took are vinegar, lemon juice, soapy water, baking soda, milk and tomato juice. So let's get started. Glass I took vinegar and added purple cabbage water to this and it turned red, which means it's an acid. And in this glass I took lemon juice and it turned also red, which is an acid. In this glass I took soap water, which turned into bluish purple color, which is a base. And this baking soda I took the purple cabbage water and added to it and it turned like light purple, which is also a base. In the milk, like it is almost like neutral because it's almost in its color. And then in tomato juice it also turned into a red color, so this is also an acid. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and also learned something about acidic and basic nature, and please subscribe, like and share this video, and bye, see you in the next video.